Hello everyone, and welcome to a new weekly overview. Last weekly overview was really great, and it was fueled by the FOMC and the NFP at the same time. Today we will have our new weekly overview for this week. We also expect a very good move in the market as the markets start to have back the volume, and especially after the news. So let's see what we have as also big news for the next week. So we'll have, of course, on Wednesday, the CPI as big news. Wednesday, the CPI on the US, on the US market, it's on the 4:30 p.m. 4:30 توقيت دبي CPI نهار الأربعاء. It's 4:30 p.m. Dubai time. And at the same time, you will have for the GBP. Interesting news on Thursday, especially with the rate expecting to increase at like 0.25%. The core PPI also on the USD, we are still pushing with news. And Friday, the premium consumer sentiment. So عنا أخبار رح بتكون عم تنعطى لنهار الجمعة. So الجمعة اللي جاي، الأسبوع الجاي. So let's start. We'll remove all these studies, and this is the Dow Jones. As you can see, the Dow Jones still moving in like sideways. Now we have this support line at this level, while we have this resistance line. This is a resistance, not line, area, full area of resistance for the swing. But we can move down till this, so we can manage here. Not saying it's not risky, it is riskier. But we will be trading inside this and outside. What do I mean by inside till outside? This is simply this. So after this big push up back Friday, after having 4 days of a bearish move for the Dow, now we can see this can be a potential reversal. هيدي فيها تكون احتمال رجعة بعد 4 أيام نزول. خامس نهار كانت up. So this means it can open, makes a wick down, and then push up after breaking this sequence of high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. 33,795, 33,795. Stop loss 33,700. 805 TP1 scalp, 880 TP2, 980 TP3, and 34,200 TP4. Okay. This is for the buy. Okay, so here if we want to go to the sell, we must go through this support area. As you can see, we have this here resistance, this here support, this here support. So the best is to wait. Here we have potential clean traffic. So for me, for this, the best is to wait until we break this support. We can see the candles before. So we can have the sell around 33,425, 33,425, stop loss 33,485. Well, then we can have 15, the TP1, 33,360 TP2, 33,227 TP3, and 33,050 can be the TP4. For the gold, now we are seeing a retracement. We are having a retracement. After this push up AB, now we are moving for the C that we warned from a lot, like here breaking this level. So we had this during this week, 20,000, like 40, until it moved all the way until 2011, even more, 22,000. Then now we are in the bearish move. This is now our bearish move after it broke up. Now, this one here. Why I'm putting this one here, I will tell you. Simply because of the following. Here, I put this here on the 4 hour, this one. Why? This double top is done. Okay, so if the market opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up again in the next 4 hour candle, we might have this buy with a clean traffic up. So can move up 20,020. No. Yes, 20,000 to be on the safe side, 2020. Okay, 2020 for the buy, stop loss around 2016, 2021 the TP1, 2024 the TP2, 2030 TP3, and the full target 2040. This candle, this clean traffic. As for the reversal, if it opens makes a wick up. إذا فتحت يعني الشروة بتكون هون، تفتح تعمل ويك داون ترجع تطلع ونطلع فيها. أما البيع إذا فتحت عملت ويك أب ورجعت تكمل نازلة. If it opens makes a wick up and move down. So it should make a wick fill and then resume down for all this move. So we might see an open, wick up, and then moving down, breaking 2007, stop loss around 2011. 2006 will be the TP1, 2000 will be the TP2 for almost like 70 pips. This support, this wick fill. 1992 TP3 and 1980 will be the TP4, and then we will be resuming with the bearish move. You can see here the wave B. It was shown by a double top on the 4 hours, 1, 2, and then breaking here 2030. Then it moved all the way till 2000. This is for the gold buy and sell. For the US oil, it took, of course, the full target for our sell. Let's remove this and start a new study. Here, this is the reversal here. So if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, we have a clean traffic up. So we can have the 72.20 as an entry, 71.20 as a stop loss. After the wick, of course, we need always wick down. لازم يفتح يعمل wick down يرجع يطلع. So 72.20 الانتري، 72.30 اكيد سكالب، 73.20 ده TP1، 73 TP2 sorry 73.20 TP2، 75 TP3 and 79 will be the TP4. As for the reversal, I cannot see for me the sell unless we break back the support. this support one time and hit up, second time and hit up. ضرب أول مرة فيه وطلع، ضرب تاني مرة فيه وطلع. So my goal in this يعني هدفي بهذا الموضوع is to open, make the wick up, then push down the first time. هلا some aggressive traders of course you can take this wick down, but let's be more safe for the new joiners. If it breaks 63.52, stop loss around 64.50. 63, yes. Most probably 63.60. 63.60. Stop loss around 64.50. 63.50 TP1 only for the scalp. 61.45 the TP2 swing. 58.34 TP3, and 54 can be the TP4. We move for the GBPJPY. As you can see, the GJ. I will delete these studies. New studies. This is the support here. This is the resistance here, of course. But we are facing a reversal, so I will move down to the support here, to this resistance. We have the bigger resistance up, and we have two resistance. This is the bigger resistance up, okay? So what will happen after this reversal is the following. So if it opens رح يصير تالي. إذا فتحت عملت wick down. If it opens, makes a wick down and then start to push up, breaking the high of the previous candle, which will be now low, higher, low, higher, low, high, higher, high. So we are expecting a new higher high. So the buy will be around this level here. So we'll have like a buy around 170.70, stop loss around 70.20, 70.80 TP1, 71.30 TP2, 72 TP3, and if we break this resistance, it might resume up almost till 74, 174. As for the sell, if it opens, makes a wick up, move down, first candle, we wait the second candle, we have this sell here. Why? ليش عنا هالسell here؟ لاحظوا هون resistance 1, resistance 2, support 3. Okay, so it should break down here, this level 167.70, 169.70, 168.35 stop loss, 67. 60 TP1 scalp, 66.84 TP2, TP3 the low of the support, 65.55, and TP4 we can reach 63, 163. For the Bitcoin still stagnating in the middle. We will keep the same buy, we will keep the same sell, no change for the Bitcoin. Euro dollar. Also euro dollar, it's almost at the weekly top. CCI percentage are up. Everything's, we have signs of a bullish potential, a bearish potential reversal, especially on the weekly. You can see the CCI percentage R divergence. Okay, so will it be a continuation up or a reversal? So let's see. We will keep the same buys, we will keep the same sells. Nothing change. Will be like 1.0908. 09. And this week has been the same move. Has been the same move. Yes, to the euro 10907 the sell, 05 the sell, while the buy is at 1.10, 1105. We'll keep the same one, nothing changed. What happened is here on the GBP USD, it went up for the first time, then moved down, then went up for the second time and kept the second chance, kept the push up. So the GBP USD is still pushing up. Now we have a new potential push up. As you can see, if it opens, we have a trend up now. If it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, we can resume the push up 126.54, 55. Stop loss like 1.2625, 2665 TP1, 2710 TP2, 2770 TP3, and 20. Oh, we have a clean traffic here. 2860 will be the TP4. But also, if we check, what's this? So also on a weekly basis, we have the CCI and percentage R for the GBP USD are overbought, but this doesn't mean that it will start to push now down, but we have to check when it will start to push down. So when it breaks the overbought and overbought barrier. Okay, as for the sell, we are still far from the sell. We need to move down on the 4 hour and then break this support. This is our sell. So the sell can be starting 125. السلفية تكون تقريبا بداية 125.45. Stop loss 125.60. 25.35 the TP1, 25.05 TP2, 24.52 TP3, and 23.70 the TP4. For the AUDUSD, daily still pushing up. Wow. Since the last, 5 days? Huge 5 days. Up, reversal full. Now we are pushing towards this resistance. Now, if we keep pushing Australian dollar till this level, 0.6791, we have a nice resistance at this level. And we are in the middle of a rectangle. Bottom, double bottom even potential. So the buy can be around 0.6810, stop loss around 67.80, 68.20 TP1, 68.80 TP2, 69.35 TP3, and the 70.50 will be the TP4. But the most important part that you must be careful after all this move up, you might reach this resistance and then have a retracement down before pushing up. يعني ممكن يكون عنا retracement down قبل ما نكمل طلعة, or we might break this and then retrace down and then push up. So be careful and secure your profit in case it breaks. But I probably see that we might go here, hit this push down again, retrace, and then resume the push up. Otherwise, if we break up, then we retrace on the support and then we can push up if we are talking about the bullish scenario. Otherwise, for the bearish scenario, I can keep the same sell. Here NZD/USD also, it made a big run, big move for this week. So also we are moving to the same resistance here. This is the resistance. Here 1 down, 2 down. So the buy will push to this level, like around 0.64 the entry, stop loss 63.70, 64.10 TP1, 64.50 TP2, this resistance 65 TP3, and 65.80 will be the TP4. USDCAD. Oh, big move down for the USDCAD. Wow, look what a daily candle. Double top daily as expected before. And then it pushed down all the way. Let's see how much it pushed down for the sell. You had this push up. It's sitting like this 78, 79% one way, which is interesting. So we might keep pushing down till 133 almost after the US Open. The 4 hour. Wow, it closed at the low, guys. Closing at its low. So 1 hour. After all this move down, if it's about to retrace, if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, we might have a buy here. Like it will be the buy around 133.91. Stop loss around 133.70. 34.01 TP1, 34.24 TP2, 34.55 TP3, and the TP135 will be the TP4 if it was to retrace before resuming down. Otherwise, it opens, makes a wick up, and then resume down. This is on the lower time frame, guys. Sell can start around 1.3370, stop loss 3390, 3360 TP1, 3330 TP2, 3285 75 TP3, and it's enough. USDCHF still stagnating. Still stagnating. Took the TP1, but hold. The buy is still the same for the USDCHF, nothing changed, and we might be like we are oversold already, especially on the weekly. The dollar is getting weaker due also to the news that's happening in the US, but I don't know how much this will stay. We are here at the all-time low before, yeah, like we're talking 1 year ago, 2 years ago. The buy is clear, but the sell isn't, to be honest. So if I want to take the sell breaking this low, so it will be like 0.8808, stop loss around 0.8838, 0.88, the 87.98 will be the TP1 scalp, 87.68 will be the TP2, because this is the support area, and then 87.05 will be the TP3. While the sell is the most probably to happen in the next weeks, the buy, sorry. So this was the weekly overview. Let's check how the market will be moving next week. Until then, see you. Thank you. Bye-bye.